When you enter into the silence, if you come back from the same door, that means you did not really go deep. Going deep in silence means you have forgotten everything. You have dismissed, eliminated your entire past, all your mental patterns, everything, the contents of your mind, your body, you have left behind everything. And your consciousness is in deep silence. Stay in that silence, come out somewhere else, not out of the same door that you entered. Come out of a fresh possibility. Come out of a fresh door. When you come out of the silence of today's meditation, leave your mental patterns behind, leave your past behind, and come back with some freshness in your consciousness. Come back with some freedom in your consciousness. Come back with more awareness, more self-awareness, more love, more compassion, more joy, more bliss in your consciousness. It's easy. It's not just words. It's also an experience if you allow it to happen. As simple as that.